Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. We're heading into winter in the Midwest, which means dealing with cold temperatures and ice. But this heat tape from HEATIT has been the perfect solution. Just recently, we had some snow and ice that built up in our gutters, but look how after just a few hours of plugging in the heat tape, it was gone. You can even see how the snow on the ground melted around it. We have issues with icicles forming on our gutters and then dripping and creating ice on our walkways, but now with this heat tape, we can prevent that from happening. While we use this on our gutters, it can be used in a variety of ways. You can use it along your roof line to help snow melt, or even around plumbing to keep your pipes from freezing. This heat tape is 70 feet long, but there are shorter lengths as well that would be great for plumbing scenarios. This is also ETL certified, which means it's been thoroughly tested to ensure it works securely in various outside elements. This really makes us feel confident because you're talking about wires, heat, ice, so you want to make sure it's going to work properly with all those different elements. Installation was so straightforward. All we had to do was lay it in the gutter. We ran it throughout our downspout, plugged it in, and bam, we were ready to go. Now, we don't leave it plugged in all the time, only when we're experiencing ice, and we've already seen the benefits. I really think this is a great investment for your home because ice can potentially cause a lot of damage, whether it's a pipe that burst or you have water that backs up due to improper drainage. We're really happy to have found a very practical and easy solution to keeping our walkways free of ice in spite of the cold elements. And that's our point of view.